Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we wanted to discuss about the TikTok ads campaign structure. This is going to be very similar to other social media platforms we have seen like Meta ads. You can find it in LinkedIn ads as well. So wherein the campaign structure is something like this, where the first thing which we do is build out a campaign. So at the campaign level, you are setting the campaign objectives, which can be sales, leads, app installs, website visitors, traffic, brand awareness. So all that you are doing at the campaign level. If you want, you can also set a campaign level budget here as well, but that's optional. Then inside the campaign, we create something we call as ad group level. So at the ad group level, you are setting all the other controls of the campaign like targetings, audience targeting, location targeting, budgets also. You can set at the ad group level. Most of the time, we are setting budgets at the ad group level here. And then inside the ad groups, then you will have your ads or the ad level where you upload your ads, which can be video ads, various types of ad formats which TikTok offers. So this is going to be the pyramid structure which you're going to build out inside the TikTok ads account. Every business who is planning to advertise with TikTok ads will have to build a similar structure for their business, and then only they can run their campaigns through the TikTok ads platform. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how the structure is going to be inside the TikTok ads platform. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.